Righto, let's talk compliance. This is a biggie, so let's get it right, and then your whole system will hum along. Step 1, make sure you've set up asset roles, you've added associated skills, and you've assigned people or equipment. Got that? Easy. Step 2, create your Worksite Required Skills. Here, you'll set your core skills needed across the site and the asset role specific ones, if there are any. Step 3, assign people or equipment to the worksite so the system knows who and what is out there. Step 4, assign roles to your people and equipment, linking those skills with the responsibilities. Now that you've done all the steps, there are quite a few places where you can check compliance. Firstly, inside the Worksite Compliance tab. Here you can see everyone or everything assigned to the worksite. Narrow your search by using the filters. You can search via the Compliance Finder. Again, use the filters to narrow your search. And you can check directly within the asset profile. So once that is all set up, your compliance checks will go from messy guess to a clean snapshot. That is peace of mind.